Hello to all! Today we begin the first draw to win a free hair replacement system. It's for all our community in YouTube and it's very easy win the hair replacement system. We'll have only 2 winners, so try to make your best to win the hair replacement system. The first thing to make is subscribe our YouTube channel and let 1 or more comments under our videos. Then share this video that you can meet under our video in your social pages, Facebook or Instagram. Then you must send in our WhatsApp or email the original video where you speak about your situation, your alopecia, and the cause you are thinking about a replacement system. The video must be different, original, funny, and sure you could win. Then we will make public in our YouTube page the 2 best video, and the owners of the 2 best video will be the winner. Of course, you must put your face in the video, so think good about this thing. If you can expose your face, you could win the free replacement system. The 2 winners, at time will receive the hair replacement system, must make a new video with the before and after and with different activities. We need original videos, funny videos, so to make a different YouTube channel about a replacement system. So help us and we can help you to have a free hair replacement system. Goodbye to all. We will meet in 10 days with the 2 winners. And remember, Newlacecu assure the best hair replacement system at best price.